Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video we will solve root equation problem. Okay, now we have square root of x plus square root of minus x equal 4. And what is the value of x? Okay, the first we can add the both side square root of minus x. Okay, square root of x plus square root minus x. Add minus square root of minus x equal 4 minus square root of minus x. Okay, and we can cancel this. So a square root of x equal 4 minus square root of minus x. Okay, we have square root of x. Okay, to remove the roots, we will square both sides. Okay, the square root of x in the parentheses is power of 2 equal 4 minus square root minus x in parentheses the power of 2. Okay, for this it means that a minus b power of 2. Okay, is equal a to the power of 2 minus 2ab plus b to the power of 2. Okay, for 4 minus square root of x. Yeah, for square root of x square, it means square root of x times square root of x equal x. Okay, for this a to the power of 2 mean 4 to the power of 2 is 16 minus 2ab 2 times 4 times minus square root of minus x is minus a square root minus x plus square root plus minus x in parentheses. Now x equal 16 minus 8 square root of minus x plus times 1 minus x. Okay, it means minus x minus x plus x equal to x. Okay, 16 mean a square root of minus x. Okay, in both side we have square root. Okay, to remove the roots we can repeat the step. Okay, 2x power of 2 Okay, sorry, we repeat. For this step, 2x 16 step over min minus 16 equal minus 8 square root minus x. Okay, for this step we can repeat this step. Okay, so 2x mean 16 square root minus x square root of minus x parenthesis. Okay, uh, use this formula. Okay, 2x power of 2 equal 4x to the power of 2 minus 2ab, 2 times 2x times minus 16 is equal 64x minus 16 to the power of 2 equal plus 256 equal minus 8 to the power of 2 is 64 and minus root of minus x. Okay, so this 4x to the power of 2 minus 64x plus 256 minus 64x. Okay, minus 64x. Okay, so we have 4x to the power of 2 plus 256 equal 0. Okay, you can cancel this. Okay, okay, for this 4x to the power of 2 plus 256 equals 0. Okay, we can looking for factor for this. Okay, 4x to the power of 2 minus equal minus 256. Okay, on both side we divide by 4. Okay, so x to the power of 2 equal minus 64. Okay, in this we have to answer x1 equal plus root of minus 64 and x2 minus square root of minus 64. That's where we have imaginary number. Okay, imaginary number square root of 64 equal 8 or x2 minus imaginary number of 8. Okay, for x equal 8i x2 minus 8i. Okay, this for answer. Okay, thank you for watching.